one of my school community members, Q, asked me how should he approach creating his membership offer, and more specifically, how should he decide on what his membership course is gonna be about, and how to write a course out, and then how to record it. So I met with him for a quick call, and just off top of my mind, I gave him a little bit of a structure of how to approach creating his course, and then out of my course materials, I gave him 3 templates, 3 mini lessons, suggestions, 3 mini tasks that he needs to complete to write his course out and record it. And one of those templates was also how to write his membership offer description out to put it on to his school about order page, right? So watch this video right now, and hopefully you're gonna get some insight, and you're gonna learn how to approach writing out your course, or how to decide on what your course is gonna be all about, and how to create then a membership offer around that. Because this, what you talked about, is very valuable.
Okay.
You know, losing weight, becoming confident, becoming attractive, sharp, a lot of energy, right?
Yeah.
Productivity, right? That's very valuable.
See, it's hard for me to, because you can see it from the outside looking in. I just see it as this should be normal for everyone.
Yeah, so you need to create a method again. You need to write those 5 things down. We improve your, health.
Yeah.
Improve your mind, which goes with health. I don't know, like, mind, confidence.
Mind, confidence, swagger. You use your
right,
charisma,
so
be able to communication. See,
your company is called Swagger anyway.
Yeah, so swag. So just someone with a goal. So if you've got goals to look good, feel good, have money, make money, have women. Like women is a byproduct of your, and that's what if you become the man. And this is what happened to me. I was not the man. I started to focus on my health. I started to make some good money. I started partnering and getting a bit of status. I started putting myself on social media, becoming more confident on camera. And then I started to get looks from women. And then from there, I started getting relationships. And it just started from nothing, just purely I made a decision. I'm going all in. I'm just going to dedicate my whole swag. Right. Was my top, like Andrew Tate. And then you've got Top G. So it was my persona. I just transformed into a persona.
So let's begin from top, right?
Okay.
Like how it all works is people want certain outcome, right?
Yeah.
And the outcome is even like what people desire to achieve, right?
Yeah.
So what we need to do is we need to, of course, write 1 sentence statement, that summarizes that outcome. But we can also write here bullet points of their desires first, so it's easier for you to formulate that statement then.
Gotcha.
We'll write right now a few of these bullet points, and then this statement needs to sound like this. I help who, for example, right? Or you, if you don't need to go specifics into who, you can just say, I help you, right? Achieve this outcome by overcoming, the problem, for example. So this outcome by overcoming the problem, so you can have these benefits. So at the end of the day, we need this kind of statement, because this statement needs to sit on top of your membership order page. And this statement needs to sit in your mind as well. I help you become confident, attractive, blah, 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 so you can, have more of these benefits, right? So now, we can write a few desires down here, and then you can write out a few problems stopping them from achieving those, desires, right? So give me a few desires first, but related to, self-mastery, and or just give me a bunch of some stuff.
Confidence. You exude confidence. Be able to get business partnerships.
Your
confidence.
You're fit. You have lots of energy.
Yeah.
You are productive.
You become more. You're sharp, because communication is huge, right? Because you'll be able to communicate, with clarity, with conviction, with confidence, because you're so confident, and because you've done the work. Certainty. And therefore you start attracting business relationships, personal relationships. You start to set yourself a standard, which is that of high value, a high value standard. And then you start attracting high value people, which is my network, which is then $1 million network. And that's how I built. And that's when you start building, you enhance your social skills.
I've been thinking ahead of time already, like 3 steps ahead right now. And I'm already categorizing these guys into 3 categories. Right. And the first category was for me like self-mastery. And then the second one would be the social whatever, right? Like, because all of these
social skills or
these 3 guys can go into the second category, right? High value standards, attractive high value people, networking, having awesome relationships, communication with other people, selling yourself. These guys can all go into this second category already. For example, for the first category, because I believe you need to work on yourself a little first before you can have great relationships.
Correct.
I was already putting into that one confidence, swagger, charisma, all of these things, right?
Yeah.
I'm putting those into this category, right?
Gotcha.
So I don't know what would be the third category then.
That would then be a high value person or high value, but that would come into social skills, status of man, or I don't, because of
or even of, you can say, lifestyle. I don't know.
Lifestyle,
because how I'm thinking here when I'm creating methods is like, okay, self-mastery, social skills, and I got those 2 now. I wouldn't say here the elite status of man, because then I confuse the first module, which is man,
correct,
with the third module. But what I could call it is the lifestyle instead, the elite status of lifestyle, because you master yourself, you have awesome relationships and other skills and all of those things, and now you can live this awesome lifestyle, and you can kind of put it in action, right? Create it now, right?
Yes.
I mean, how, right? I mean, you can give these people action, maybe some step. I don't know. I'm thinking here how you could approach this, right? Now you could write out a lot of problems that are stopping people from achieving all of these things, because you would want to address some of those problems then in your course. This is called the solution, right? So we have desires, we have problems, and now we have solution here.
Gotcha.
We created 3 steps to applying the solution, right? Master yourself, social mastery skills, and then potentially the
elite,
right?
I like this. This is perfect, Primos.
So look, this is kind of going somewhere right now. We can do this in many ways, what we can do from here now. And by the way, all of this up here is messy. Even if I'm going to use this recording, if anyone is watching this, it's messy. We didn't go into all of the details, right? Because we kind of don't even need to go into, because this is easy to create, right? Later on. But what we want to end up with, what do we actually need for your coaching, for your membership program, right? Yes, we need this statement, right? You need to say, I help you, whoever, achieve, master your, summarize this in 1 sentence, right? Build an ideal lifestyle, build yourself up and have awesome relationships so you can live this great lifestyle, right? We need to put that into 1 statement, right? So so 1 outcome statement, we need that. Then secondly, what we need is the transformational method, right? Of how, which is those 3 steps, right? 3 modules, 3 steps. We need to write a course on these steps, and this course needs to be, in your case at the moment, very simple and short and concise. Simple. I teach everyone who is going through this, like, and of course we need a membership offer. We could just add here a price point of this membership, and we can write here inclusions, right? Sorry, and I know that I'm overcomplicating this, but I'm trying to say here is that you can write out this course just like this, right? Course. I'll go to the templates of my program here. creating your course, you can write out your course like this.
Okay.
Introduction, whatever. I have a template here, right? What you need to say in the introduction, right? But then lesson 1, this could be 5-minute video.
Yeah.
On self-mastery.
Yeah.
5-minute video on self-mastery. Just something to give to your members who come in, and maybe one task here if you want to give them something to work on.
Yeah, gotcha.
And then one video on relationships and building, having awesome relationships. And then one video on designing the ideal lifestyle, right? Each of these could be like a 5-minute video. This could be just 3 videos or 4 videos.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the simplest way of doing it.
Yeah, man. I've got this. Because with the ideal lifestyle, I've got a millionaire friend. Could I interview him and saying
you're gonna put those things as bonuses?
Gotcha.
For the lesson, I want you to teach a little bit of some fundamentals of what ideal lifestyle is and how to achieve it, right? Like you can look at my course here, right? I mean, I got an introduction, so but I don't have just a 5-minute video as lesson 1 because I needed to go build an advanced course. So I have more lessons, right? Because there are 2 ways of creating courses, right? The simple way or the advanced way, right? So mine has got 3 or 4 videos in module 1 and another 3 here and another 3, right? But
gotcha. Now I want to go simple. I'll keep mine simple.
You need to do this in this simple way because we need to have this up by the end of this week.
I'm going to have it by the end of today. Let me film. I would just dedicate the whole of today and film because this is from my own experience. This is just purely okay. Charisma. This is how you exude it. It takes.
Look, do it this way. Look, that's a template. I'm going to give you this, right?
Yeah.
I cannot edit this one right now because it's my template. But lesson 1, right next to it, self-mastery.
Yeah, self-mastery.
Topic 1, confidence. Topic 2, swagger. Topic 3, charisma. I don't know.
Yeah.
1 sentence description for swagger, for confidence, or whatever, right? And you can say, hey, these 3 things will build your confident or you're gonna master yourself through these 3 things. I don't know if that's correct, like confidence, charisma, swagger. Maybe they could go into 1, right?
Yeah, and then a separate one. I'll find some other ones.
You need 2 more tools here, right? You could call topic 1 would be confidence, charisma, swagger. Hey, you just need to be this, I don't know, person.
Topic 2 could be like mindset or something, or you need the mindset. It's all mindset.
I mean, the self-mastery here is mindset, right?
Mindset, yeah.
You need to teach them a method here. At the end of the day, this course, if it's recorded, your students who we're gonna get in, we just need this so we can get some people in.
Yeah, man.
They're gonna watch this. Then they're gonna watch first lesson first, and then you can ask them, hey, what's your questions?
Yes. Yeah. Gotcha.
And they will say, oh, I don't actually know how to be confident. And you're going to need to then coach them, or you're going to need to create an extra resource for just that because you didn't go deep enough here. And then you're going to keep creating materials. That's what I did here for myself.
So I just create, ask questions, recreate, ask questions, and just keep editing and go deep.
Kind of. For now, just we need to pick something and put it in here. Because otherwise you're going to never begin. I needed few years to develop this method, so it's quite sharp now.
Gotcha.
But use this template to write your course out, okay? But before you do that, you could also write your membership offer description out. These 2 things should be done, right?
Cool.
Why I'm saying this is because if you write this offer description, and when you're going to be recording your course, which I teach here in finalizing and recording your course, I also say to you that you should record a 5-minute video talking about your membership. For now, like I said, we need that statement, right? So we didn't completely follow my course guidelines here because it all begins with you writing out that offer description, right? you write that statement out here, you decide on the 3 modules, right? And you decide what else is going to be included in your membership program, and you put the price point here.
Okay.
We use this to put on your school about page. So, but you see, we still need this statement, right? So I need to give you this document as well, because you're going to put this onto your school page.
Yeah.
Let me see how I messaged you. Use this template to write your course out, okay?
Okay.
But before you do that, you could also write your membership offer description out. These 2 things should be done, right?
Cool.
Why I'm saying this is because if you write this offer description, or when you're going to be recording your course, which I teach here in finalizing and recording your course, I also say to you that you should record a 5-minute video talking about your membership.
Okay, so let me tighten up the about page and then do the outline of my course.
Right.
Before I film it, I'll send it to you so you can just check.
Yeah, go to the community here and post it in my
community. And post it. Okay.
So anyone else can give you some feedback on it as well. Because there are some people, they always, we get people comment and check, right?
Yeah, gotcha.
So, and I'm going to check it tomorrow when I wake up or so, all right?
Easy. Thank you so much, brother.
So, but follow what I messaged you with, right? Just these 2 things. But this just got to be done. If you just do this, we can move and record this, put it up here, and we can start selling stuff, you know?
Bro, I need to start selling, Primos. I have to start. I'm going to be your number 1 student, man. I'm going to be your number 1 student. So I'm going to get off here and do the outline now.
Right. Do this right now. Write it out, and I'll check tomorrow. And then the next day or over this weekend, you can record it if we improve it to the end of the week. All right.
And can I just film it on Loom? Or what do you recommend?
Now that's my next lesson in my program. Loom only gives, on a free plan, you can only record 5-minute videos, and they are cloud-based. You cannot download.
Yeah, no, I've got a paid one.
You have?
Loom. Yeah.
Then you can just do it via Loom, so you can download the videos.
Download and then upload. Gotcha.
Right. And then,
cool.
I mean, you can do it. You can do a presentation out of these Google Docs that I gave you.
Mm-hmm.
Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. You could just share that screen and talk around it, you know?
Yeah, gotcha.
That's one way, right, of recording your course. Another one is just simply talking to the camera and maybe helping yourself with the notes, but no one else see the notes. Or the third way is putting down this into the slides.
Yeah, I think I like the slides, and then just have me on the corner and just talk about, so the slides just be a bullet point.
Exactly. Let me give
and then I just
tell you something, because I do have a template for you for that. For example, just so you understand this, because here in my finalizing and recording your course, which comes after you creating your course, right, there is some kind of a slides. You click on that, right? First page, introduction. You just put that text right from that document in, and then that's an introduction. Hey, this is what we're going to cover, which actually I need to remove because we covered that here already. But then you have lesson 1. You see, you can just have those 3 bullet points here and you talk about it for 3 minutes. Have your Loom face circle down here and just talk. I'll just give you this, import it to your Canva maybe, and you can use this for your slides presentation. Basically, you can just copy out of that first template. After you write it out, copy it into these slides, the text, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see how you handle this. So
okay.
Awesome. Sounds like a plan. You need to do this now.
I got it, man. I got it. Thank you so much, brother.
Okay.
Thanks, Primos.
Speak then soon, all right?
Have a good night, man.
Okay.
Have a good night. See ya.